guys, welcome back to another ceiling fan video. And today we have a 1994 Quorum Classic dated December of 1994 in polished brass and white. I'm using this camera on a tripod today, so I see how that works. Blades are reversible to like a lost oak or something. Excuse the little wind noise in the background. That's the little Caribbean breeze fan I have running. Turn it off real quick. Alright, I picked this fan up for about $10, I think. The light kit is not original. The original light kit is currently installed in another room to produce more light. Overall, it's a pretty neat fan for the size. My first G vent fan, so I'm pretty excited about that. There's the light. There's a normal standard schoolhouse globe light kit. Start the fan on low. The down rod on this fan is not original. This fan came with 2 down rods, but none of the down rods fit the fan, so I had to use a spare down rod I had lying around. I plan on taking the light kit off because somewhat makes the fan look a little bit more cheaper than it already is. I picked this fan up and the bearings were really all just gunked up, so I just used some trusty WD-40 and now it works perfectly. Now this is my first time seeing a Quorum Classic ceiling fan ever. I've seen many Quorum outdoor ceiling fans, like in Springfield, Illinois, and pretty much everywhere else, but I've never seen a Quorum Classic. Now I've seen this fan on YouTube, but that was when the Quorum brand was named Davenport. Video. Had to swap the pull chain out because the pull chain that was originally in there worked perfectly for a few months, and then the medium speed started to fade away. So like a few days ago, this started going high, low, off, off. So I looked in the pull chain, and one of the little metal pieces that the wires go in were broken, so I had to replace the pull chain. And it was taped wrapped around the old pull chain that was in here, so it was probably messed up to begin with. Overall, getting a nice solid breeze on this fan. This fan originally came with a spotlight kit, but obviously, like I said in the beginning of the video, that is currently in another room. And high speed. I've had this fan for like a month now. If you look on my Instagram page, this fan came in a Casablanca Bel Air Halo box that I have stored away right now for storage. I'm getting a pretty good breeze from this fan. I'm standing right here behind the camera. It's a pretty decent breeze. It's a pretty nice fan. Show with the light on high speed. And the reason why I have this fan with a light kit now, because my mom wants this corner over here to be like a little workspace for me and her, so I can use half of the workspace for my ceiling fans and mechanical work and stuff, and my mom can use the other half for her little projects she likes working on. Turn it off. The fan is reversible, but I'm not going to reverse this fan this time. Spindown's pretty, I won't say long, but it's pretty lengthy. Probably got all the WD-40 that's still in there. Overall's a pretty decent fan, a little bit of resting on the top, but I'll try to clean it up as best as I could. These fans remind me of the ceiling fans I have in my church. Now, the ceiling fans at my church are view fans, and there's only 2 G-vent view fans there at my church. And then they had 2 Walmart Impression ceiling fans that replaced 2 broken view fans I have in my church. The pull chain is also not original. I just have that pull chain lying around. I decided to put it on a G-vent fan like this one. That was originally on my Litex ceiling fan, but I'll make a video about later. It's kind of tricky to find out a matching globe fitter for this fan, but I got the Encon Casanova ceiling fan, and that was the original light kit that was on the fan, but not the original glass. The original glass was like a I can't really describe it. It was just like some type of light kit you'll see in the kitchen, that type of globe. So I took that globe off and put a schoolhouse globe on the fan, and put that light kit on this fan. So this light kit from the Encon Casanova, and the light kit that came with this fan is on the Encon Casanova. It was just a regular spotlight kit, a 3-way spotlight kit. Yeah, like I said, Spindown is pretty lengthy. It's not that long, but pretty lengthy. It's probably longer than the Caribbean Breeze copy I had back there. Alright, and that's the Quorum Classic.